For physical fitness, that only he spoke as well, how one can physically fit by mind mapping and mind strengthening. Otherwise, we cannot. No question of these things. No, through webinar. Webinar on those days, it's a very rare in nature. Now, the direct conference is rare in nature in near future also, hopefully. But so he has given a lot of things relating mind, soul, and body. Yes, of course, he has given uh, amazingly about this mind. The Ozo he has mentioned in his speech, in his book, what he's telling, mind murdering, it is a very great thought. The sense you don't mind your mind, otherwise you will kill your mind on your own mind, like that is things. So the first part is physical fitness. Hopefully, all the 22 people we are sitting, no, even small is always beautiful. In Tamil, we used to say, "Kadugu sirundhalum karam kurayadu." The sense the mustard, no, even if you are putting for food, it is only few things, but the impact on those things it always equal. So that's why I always, the small is always beautiful. All the 22 we are healthy, safe, and doing good. It's we are gifted. We are gifted. We are meeting each other. So that is first point. The second one is physical fitness. Second one is mentally sharp. So what for we are sitting again? We are to upgrade, update, enhancing, enriching the knowledge, skill, everything. So it is based on your mentally sharp. Mentally sharp in the sense you have to update, upgrade, depending upon the nature of the situation. Even at the pandemic situation, your knowledge is to be doubled. My dear friends, I used to say the knowledge is to be doubled every year. We have to ensure ourselves that my knowledge has been doubled. In such a way, it is to be there. Suppose if you are keeping mum in the home during this pandemic, not referring anything on your own field or your own business, then your knowledge it would be off. In the sense, in such a way, the other side is global growing that overtakes you. The net result, your knowledge is only 50%, but the other side is 100%. This is second one. So for that reason only we are all assembled here to enrich our knowledge. This is the second important part. And third one is emotionally balanced. We should not be emotional in this situation. And the approach, that is a reflections can be there, but there should not be any reactions. So in this pandemic also, all the business people also, they should not be in panic. So it is a time to settle down. It's called correction factor. I used to say all the business people, whenever they approach me for a consulting in this pandemic, so we have an accounting, the policies and accounting convention. There is a thing is called the prudence concept as well as convention of conservatism. So why we are following the convention of conservatism, we are making provision out of profit during the boom period in order to meet the recession period. That is the reason why the accounting concept has emerged. Whatever profit you earned, don't disperse or distribute to anyone. You keep some portion of money as a reserve to be meted to the unprecedented, unforeseen losses. That is the reason why we are creating a reserve. But during this pandemic, those things it is to be taken away. Otherwise, going on, we are improving your reserve position, and we are weak. No, you can't claim. So this is called emotional approach in finance or emotional approach in personal finance, and whatever it may be. And this is second, third part. Fourth one is socially adjusted. Fourth one is first one is physically fit, the second one is mentally sharp, and the third one is socially adjustable. According to this current environment, we have to change as well as approaching those focus balance approaches required. In current environment, whatever the society, whatever the environment, whatever the political environment, socio-cultural environment, or whatever the technological environment, we have to obey. Obey. There is no word. There is no nothing new word is there than obey. So whenever you obey a rule, certainly we never will feel first. So that's why In this occasion, I'm linking the business also. Why I'm giving this personal growth? It is also linked with your business also. And the fifth one is called morally good. Morality. Morality in the sense properly. One of the very social management used to say the ensure fair financial discipline in your organization. There should not be that is called on one side or otherwise on the other side. So you have to be very careful in morality. So once you lost your character as well as morality, you cannot come up with your business is lost, which you know what can recover it. And the last part of this is called, it is for a human being, it is called aesthetically appreciable. The aesthetic sense of a human being, it also leads to a sustainable strategy. Aesthetic sense when you do the business. So with these small the prelude about the individual qualities or individual traits to become sustainability. So why not we can apply the same thing to your business also. So certainly you never feel fail in this occasion. Normal in any business now we are using the word business, but whenever I give consultancy, I never use the word business, rather use a cause. You create a cause, not a business. This is a mantra. Cause means you are reason oriented and result oriented. Business is a business. When you start a business, there are umpteen number of chances to incur losses. Whereas when you start a cost oriented activity, you will earn some surplus. You cannot say use the word profit. It's a surplus. So we are gaining extra, not for me alone. It can be shared. The major share to the proprietor or shareholder. The remaining portion again give back to the society. This particular concept, you may claim that you may be very big public grows. But when it is not, when it is utilized again and again in your business, no, in turn, all the stakeholders must be satisfied. That's why in marketing, normally we used to say market share. Now they are talking about mind share. In the sense, whatever the product, new product launches in the market, one has to take. I will always take it on my own brand. I never switch over my brand. In such a way, the brand image, it is to be there in the minds of the consumers, customers. That's why there are three important things we might have aware of it in the marketing strategy to retain, sustain your products. Now, three important parts. Number one is product advantage, and number one is second one is customer advantage, and the third one is advertising advantage. Whether it is an Indian or global scenario, once you follow these three advantage, doesn't mean that we are holding one, it is not sufficient. But whereas all the three, no? So you see, very interesting product advantage. In the sense they never compromise on quality. They never compromise on quality. At the same time, so doesn't mean that they will go for they are increasing the cost. That's why there is an equation. Your the quotient of the function divided by cost. The function divided by cost. When the function increases and the cost decreases, numerator function. Function means whatever the benefits from that product. The cost, what are the resources you have used? Function divided by cost. When the function, the numerator, it is always on the upper side, and the cost, it is on the reducing side. So that the resultant quotient of your product value, example, your function is number 10, your cost is about 8 rupees. So your answer is 1.2. Suppose the function is increased by another 5 rupees, 15 rupees, and the cost is reduced from 8 to 5 rupees. The 15 divided by 3 is your quotient is 3. So in such a way, one has to calculate your sustainability in the market. So these are the marketing strategy. So number one is a product. We should the sense uniqueness, your USP, always then a creativity. So I will show some creativity exercise in time permits after some time. And in number two, it is called the product advantage. So no, sir, no, I told in the six qualities there are fourth quality socially adjustable. Means it is more adjustable with the customer flow. To whom you are delivering, for whom. That is a very basic mantra in our consultancy form. If anybody approach, who are all your target customer, whether esteem value customer or use value customer or cost value customer, according to three categories of customers. So you have to give a product or service to the society. But the second is called, that is called product advantage. That's why there we might have used some market segmentation. The segmentation, it may be on the aging, or it may be a geographical location, it may be on different, according to that different situation, because we are telling the global scenario. A product which is suitable for one country, which may not be suitable for the another country, because their customer base, their affordability, their esteem value customer, so their focus is completely different rather than your Indian product. So the customer segment is called the customer advantage, product advantage, customer advantage. And the third important
Excuse
element,
me, sir.
that is
Excuse me,
called
sir.
the
Yes.
advertising advantage.
Excuse me, mine, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your slides
Yes,
are
sir.
not moving. Slides are not moving.
That major mainstream. It
Ah,
is
main screen. Okay, 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 okay.
yes, yes. Mainstream it is there. I know. Okay. I am giving some input. Then we'll move to this important part. So the second thing, it is called the customer advantage, and the third one is advertising advantage. Very important part, whether the Prakash sir is very expertise in all field. Without how can I know him? He is having this much caliber, this much competency. He is having complete link all over the world. How do I know? Because of his advertising. Advertising doesn't mean that not by commercial, but somewhere or other one has to introduce. Even the Prakash sir introduced me. No, so why this type of introduction is required? So not to boost, but whom he is delivering, whether he is competent. So in such a way, the proper advertising of a product or a service or a person, it is to be required for any product success. The sustainable product strategical development. So product should not be, it is to be more of towards quality. Quality again, don't expect that it is based on three types of customers. If it is, for example, for a person who is the top people, so they may use the Parker pen. So Parker pen, it is their quality, the quality at the higher side. Suppose if you are a medium size, usually product Europen or Reynolds or like that. So those pens are called the cost usually product. But mind it, some affordability it is required for a cost value product. Even 3 rupee pen, a student who is using for an examination. So without any break, the flow it is more smooth, as well as he is completing the entire examination by using 6 examination, 3 pens or 2 pens, he will complete it by spending only 6 minutes. So again, that also sustain. So to whom you are delivering, that is very important part on the marketing side. So marketing side on one, another side is finance. So both strategical. So we have to, and you have to assess the entire environment as a whole, world over. Suppose you are an MNC, so naturally you have to place your place of establishment, whether in the other country or in your country. The government of India will not allow you to do. So there are a lot of the statutory stipulations with regard to taxation is concerned. But naturally, there will be an agreement which is called that double taxation avoidance agreement. So once if you are making a double taxation, the product cost it will be more, and if the product cost is more, the natural competitiveness would be there. Then you will not be shy. So you have to assess the entire world as a whole. So what are the tax practices, tax policies of the entire country, entire world? So you have to observe and where you are going to sell the product, and there what type of stipulations, what type of concessions, whether do we have any agreement or multilateral agreement. multilateral agreement, that is to be there. So yesterday, some of the speaker he spoke on about WTO and GATT agreement, and now we are moving. So today's no WTO agreement, it is there, and entire India, it is focusing on the global changes. They have introduced a GST model, and from GST model they are going for e-invoicing model. From e-invoicing model, where we are going to land it, it is one blockchain accounting. So already we are in the process. So we are all going towards the universal accounting. There is no need for audit. So those type of complaints, lesser complaints, lesser formalities, and complete transparency. Complete transparency. There is no hide and seek. So everything, anything which can everyone can see. So naturally, the real competitive strength would be there, and there your product advantage, your customer advantage, and advertising advantage, and employee advantage. So something your technological advancement advantage. So based on that, we can sustain and succeed. There will be a competition. We cannot avoid it. So only thing how we are thriving based on the environmental study, and otherwise, suppose if you are not able to compete, and now I will tell you other parts. See, life is no longer the same cup of coffee or tea. So certainly we are changing. Even in the education side, what we are expecting, the entire education system is going to be changed. Yes, of course. For the last 3 years, 2.5 years, the majority all are online classes. How we are going to make it in the near future? There will be a lot of challenges. So changes will be there. And this is a slide which is called best nation to live. Best nation to live. Best state. So basically, a country which having education, quality of life, and say in between you can see we are topmost in benchmark in human capital. Yes, suppose. So human capital is a very great source than your robotic. Once you learn your human part, and you can make it anything, everything. And the benchmark in innovation technology, we are already on the top of the line. Then many countries, they are ready to do business in our state as well as in India also. So these are the things. Now, uh, basically, the root of all happiness is doing right, and the root of doing things is a root of uh, root of all enterprise creating goods. So everyone, after 91, India's topic is completely from LPG to now COVIDization. COVID is a very great impact. That's why I'm showing this one. We cannot afford to continue doing business as usual. We can't. So there will be a change. We have to accept it. Then sustainability comes. Anything, everything. Money risk is very important. Even in our accountancy, there is a word prudence. It is again towards sustainability. So whatever things happen in future, accordingly, we will provide a nature of many provisions. That is called sustainability. It's a very simple definition. So not take much. So growth that enriches, blenders the environment. So that's why there is a word responsible competitiveness. Responsible competitiveness. So we should not the lethargicness. You have to be very careful, no responsibility. You are accountable, you are answerable. For that, what we are telling is called a triple bottom line. What is to do, need to do. There are three important areas one should ensure for sustainability. One is economics, very profit, and the social is a people, and the environment is a planet, and all these things now with ethics, ethical accounting. That's why it is called now quadruple bottom line reporting. Quadruple na four: profit, planet, people, principle. sustainability, how we can put in the business strategy. Normally, we used to say first start with your compliances. Then always you are about compliance, your value will be eroded. Rather, operational effectiveness, very important, operational excellence. From there, you can take a leverage. Anything, everything you can take a leverage and you can lead the entire world. This is called a sustainability matrix. Increasing maturity of sustainable approach on one side. So you have to create value creation or value erosion. Don't take more of complaints related. It is what I can say, substance over form. That is required. Otherwise, formality over substance. Always no, we have to comply results. Then incorporating sustainability in the business, how we are going to incorporate it. So sustainable product, I told you, sustainable process, motivating consumers. So the marketing plays a significant role.
Yes, sir. Manoj, any issues?
Number of Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Nothing, yes, early government wants to uh, put a, instead of using the word MRP on any product, why not we can book the cost of production and MRP. The cost of production denotes, material this much. For example, if you are purchasing Colgate paste about 70 rupees, what would be your material cost? Material cost is 30 rupees, and labor cost is 10 rupees, and overhead is 10 rupees. Then MRP is 70 rupees. Then the middleman profit is 20 rupees. So in such a way, there are a lot of discussions going on, but till the time it is not up to the mark because there will be a lot of issues which might be necessary. Then what do they expect? So good understanding of nature of business, the grasp over the key levers driving the volume revenue. Then other side is it is called big data. So whenever, sorry. So what are the crucial elements? What are the crucial elements of cash, people, customers? So one side is liquidity, and the other side is people, and the other side customers. Fail in this pandemic, no revenue, fixed cost is constant, and net result because of lethargic attitude, their quality of service and it is more of poor in nature. Then yeah, insufficient revenue, which I have told already, and excess fixed cost. That is on one side. Then third one is poor quality. That is the third one. Here only the important part, how the skills and challenges, how it works, uh, high challenges and low skills. And the skills more and the high challenges. So there only you will get an anxiety simulation, your expectation, everything. Otherwise, when the skill is more and the challenges are medium, you can relax and everything. Relax it. Now this now the India this occasion our India's likely recovery path it is again we are claiming that V-shaped rather than U or L-shaped. But this pandemic, suppose if it continues, the V edge, edge can be more time. That's why it is called. It will become U-shaped. We have to be very careful. These are all the some changes happening, and prudential financial management plays a significant role. Now we'll come to this very important area where I have to give sustainability. The competition or any stress or any pressure or anything, no, you are going to feel, ignore, suffer, net result, you may lose the market. This is called uh, uh, loss of market loss of energy. The competition, when you defend it, no, it is called maintain status quo. In the competition, you are accepting and you are countering. So you are capturing it in the sense lead and regain. But suppose that in the competition we cannot compete each other, better we can cooperate each other. And that cooperation in this in the name of collaboration which comes as a competition. Competition it is a cooperation plus competition. It is a neologism word, combination of any two words and bringing a new word is called a neologism. So you can make a local collaboration or global collaboration, merger, acquisition, amalgamation, takeovers, joint venture, partnership, consolidation, strategic. These things are to be taken. We can develop ourselves in the sustaining, succeeding. In the sense, friends, where aim is one side is maybe profitable and the other side is very worth it. So for that purpose only the Robert Kaplan, who gave the concept of balanced scorecard, how we are balancing with the financial measures with the non-financial parameters. So financial parameters only on money capital alone, but the non-financial parameter there are about the three important parties only is customer capital and human capital and the innovation. It's called infrastructural capital. So in such a way, this particular slide now how we can lead product leadership. I told product leadership and the customer intimacy. So naturally, it leads with your operational excellence, operational experience, with the core competency. You are expert in that particular field. So from there, you are claiming your excellence in the operation, net result, growth and profitability. Ultimately, you will get the EVA, economic value at this more because of your competency development. It's a process where you have to take and can. Okay, this is on one side. And this is another important part for everyone must aware. No, that is called um, uh, see here. I have given some 7 keys for success. Decided, do you have these keys? The 7 keys. How we are going to adapt? Where we are lacking? Easily we can identify. So, do you have vision? Do you have value system? What type of based on values? What strategy you are going to adapt? From there, whether do you have sufficient resources? For that, capable to do things as there or not. For that, proper motivation, profit, money. If all these key there, better change it. Change. Change. No vision, but all the 6 parameters are there. Net result confusion because you don't have any vision where you are going. Suppose without value, you don't have any value, you have all these 6 criteria, net result is corruption. Because you don't have any value. So unethical way of doing business. Net result sometimes you may fail. Then you have value system and everything. You don't have any strategy to compete the markets. How to overcome the competition? That is not up to your level. In the sense, naturally, you will be diffusion. Will be diffuse strategy. Without resources, yes, everything it is there. No resource. Net result frustration. Now everyone know they are under frustration. Without capability, all these 4 is there. You don't have any competency to do things. Net result tiredness, fatigue, and you have all these 5 qualities without motivation. What for we are doing it? Net result you are without money, we don't have money. What will be the loss? So these 7 criteria which can be useful for your sustainable business strategy. For any competency building, not in only in research, even for competency level, your content delivery, coaching, technology, innovative, personal, all the 6 factors are very much important. Then you have to blend of those things required. A strong business foundation giving an understanding of all functional areas, complete knowledge on all these functional areas. What I told, one side is finance, other side is marketing. When both the things are blended with the human capital, support of IT, information technology, we can shine and sustain. Only thing is you have to assess if you are doing any global business, evolve as various strategies which adapted by many countries, and what type of foreign exchange reserve risk it is there, what type of agreement we can make it, and international taxation, whether our government is allowing them to do business in the outside, what are the tax events, tax haven. So for that, what you have to do, you have to do some business analytics. That is another important area, business analytics. The business analytics, they're about descriptive statistics, descriptive, uh, prescriptive, and predictive. When a businessman ability to predict with the descriptive, certainly prescription it is not a matter. So not for a year, but for a long years, naturally you could understand the position where to stop, where to start. That you can do it. So for that, lot of various management tools are there. Value analysis, value engineering, business process re-engineering is a radical change from one stage to other stage without putting more strain. And reverse engineering, tear down analysis, benchmarking, phase-on costing, life cycle, target costing, activity-based management costing. Yes, if at all want to do, suppose you are doing business in various countries, some product you may lose some profit. In the sense, you want to close down or shut it down. For that, you can use this activity-based management and as well as ABC costing. You can do it. These are the areas where you can develop various tools. And especially there is a term which is, you may aware, that is called vendor managed inventory. Suppose if at all want to do business in the outside the country, you need not take up your inventory from here to there. From there to there itself is it possible. So you have to explore the opportunities for supplying the raw material from where it is available in the other than your reporting country. So it should be more cheaper than what you are doing in business. Otherwise, you have to have a study on depthly, which is called vendor managed inventory. Once if you are
Mailmurugan sir, please mute again. Please mute again. Unmute again. Mailmurugan sir, please mute. Ah. Mailmurugan sir, please unmute.
So he doesn't understand it. We have to call him.
hello,
Yes, Murugan sir.
sir.
We can hear now. Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
We can hear now. Continue.
Hello,
Continue, sir.
hello.
Yes,
Am I
continue.
audible?
Yes.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir. Continue, please.
Hello.
Yes.
Continue, sir. Continue. We are listening. You are
Hello.
audible. Please carry on.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Hello. Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, please continue. Murugan,
Sir,
sir, please continue.
sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
No, we are audible. You are audible, sir.
Sir,
Please
yes,
carry
sir, yes,
on.
sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Just sharing one important area we have to think already. Many people you may aware that this particular exercise in any training program, but we have to think it differently how we can do business sustainable the global level. So there are about 9 points. The problem is no, you have to draw 4 lines connecting all the 9 points without taking your hands. Without taking your hands, you have to draw 4 lines. Normally, everyone, you may take your pen and you can draw it. It is very easy, but there may be sometimes only 3 answers. If your mind is blocked, in the sense we used to draw 4 lines and missing this one particular point, in the sense you are losing some resources. And this is second important part. You are connecting all the 9 points by drawing 5 lines, but you need one more extra input. You, everyone, we have been given 24 hours, but by drawing one more line, we need 4 hours extra. It is not also possible. And this side, it has been connected all these 9 points, but with the taking out hands. So that is also your condition not fulfilled. Then how we can draw? So I will draw myself. And before that, there are about 4 guidelines, in the sense I am using the word balance scorecard approach: money capital, infra capital, human capital, and customer capital. How these 4 lines it can be connected towards the global scenario. First, you see, this is a first line from left to right. This is a first line goes beyond, and second line we are extending. That is very much important. Here you see, I am extending the services and exploring the opportunities horizontally. So then, when you can limit to some point of time connecting your existing resources. So the first capital, suppose money capital, you are extending towards your infra capital. Then third, you have to inside out. That is inside, coming inside without affecting your local resources. It is called the explore use internally with our resources, with your competency. You are going out. These two extremes are called creativity or innovation. So, in order to sustain your business, you have to think beyond, out of box, and towards your completely customer capital. It is completely open. You have to approach. So, your customer, your product, your service, it is more of accessible, and it is affordable depending upon their customer value, and it is equitable and without compromising quality. And I am answering to the statutory authorities, government like on the global level as well as high level. So, so with these small um, the input on this one, we can do things in a better way. Only thing is what our the earlier speaker spoke on the mind struck. No, there should not be any mind struck. We should be open mind. That's why he's shown that depending upon your capacity of the cup, you can move, hold more. But even you can extend your cup also. You can change your cup. You can change your container depending upon the condition. You can market your product sustainably. At the same time, only thing is, don't think and whatever you earn, it is to be shared to everyone, stakeholders. So certainly, but global level, you never feel anything, everything, but the emotional challenges always leads to negative, and we have to reflect. Sometimes you have to shut it down our business for some time, and for mere shut it down doesn't mean that you are closing it down. It's a temporary shutdown, and we are thinking, and you reshape, regenerate yourself to face the challenges of the uh, business environment globally. It is never too late to be what you want to be. Even now, if we shall start, let us rise to meet the challenges today and create assets for tomorrow. Yes, there is a thing, everything is possible. Only we need to try. Without trying, we cannot do anything. Any impossible, it can be converted, as you know, and it is possible. Yes, and possible. Yes, it is possible. Only thing is, I used to say to my all friends as well as students or colleagues, professionals, for doing anything, no, we need not, all the knowledge is not required, caliber is not required, skill is not required, intelligence not required. Then what else is required? So the only, the six-letter word, commit is required. Commit. Commit is very much important. Commitment, commitment, commitment. Once you commit all other things, what we have said earlier, it would be in your footstep. Doesn't mean that I am degrading. It depends upon the commitment and your attitude, and the commitment and your acceptability. So that's why we are talking about the attitude. Attitude matters. How do we perceive the things? Then you may have a lot of knowledge. So how we are doing it? Then the last part of my presentation on this slide, it is success block. Because whenever you claim that I am top of the tip, yes, never, never. You may be top of the tip for some time. Certainly others may try. Suppose if you don't have any ego on your side, better understanding. Even I used to say there is no meaning of ego, but I have my own meaning. Ego means um, uh, lack of knowledge, lack of understanding, lack of whatnot. Something emerges either my side or your side. Ego emerges. So we should not hold any ego, but you can have a benchmark on it. For a business, you can have a benchmark. In the sense, you are the top of the tip of the entire world. You may be the leader for others. The leader means, you don't claim that you are an egoistic person. No, it is positive side. It is more of competitive nature. We, you and I, is always win-win situation. No question of win-lose situation. Even the game theory, all those days only zero-sum game. Now we are talking about plus-sum game. That's why the competitive advantage, competition, cooperation plus competition, it has been emerged. Surely we can achieve what we have, and if we don't have ego, even in the personal side also, I'm telling, your professional side also can be applicable. With these words, I conclude my presentation on this uh, part. Really, I thank every one of you for taking part in my presentation. It
Thanks,
is
sir.
more of a very limited in part, but only thing now what I have been given, some inputs might be helpful to the business people as well as myself. Thank you very much, Prakash sir, for giving me an
Thanks,
opportunity.
thanks a lot,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thanks a lot.